How to use your art journal to build your self-esteem. Now, if you give me 5 minutes, I'm going to quickly explain to you how to go from feeling frazzled to freedom using creativity. Now, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Mandy Fenter. I'm a creativity coach, bringing you mindset and creativity to help you go from frazzled to freedom. So if you want to know all about this, drop me a comment below and I'll shoot you my 7-day free art journal prompt test, also to help you go from frazzled to freedom. Now that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you on today. Going from frazzled to freedom using creativity. Now very often let's say walk into a room and maybe you're feeling a little bit frazzled, like because your self-esteem is low and you start comparing yourself to the other people in the room. What is this one thinking? And you're feeling a little bit insecure. That frazzled feeling starts coming in whatever situation it is. We're all in different parts of our lives that feel sometimes a little bit frazzled, like we have a little bit of a low self-esteem. But if you want to use that creativity to uplift yourself, to build into yourself the positive beliefs that you should be thinking, our art journal is a great way to start. And that little saying that people always say, bloom where you plant it. And that's such a truth, like if you start thinking about bloom, we think automatically about flowers. So then take something like that and put that in your art journal. Let's say you start creating things about flowers. Don't just go and create the flower for that wonderful me time and feeling more relaxed. Yes, that will help you go to a little bit more freedom. But what if you start creating something about flowers and actually putting truth into, let's say, the petals of the flowers? And maybe you think you're not artistic, but whether you're cutting and sticking or doing like major creative, like let's say this one is just cutting and sticking papers, right? And if you use something like this, you can write into the petals the different things you want to believe about yourself. Like, let's say, I'm seen, I'm beautiful, I'm brilliant, I'm resilient, I'm creative, I'm bold, I'm peaceful, I'm all the things you need. Or it can be super detailed, like with lots of art journaling techniques, and you can add that into your flower. But what's going to happen is when you start creating and you start writing things, let's say, into your flowers that you're creating, every time you page through your journal and you see that and you start believing that and you're speaking it over yourself, but I am blessed, I'm secure, I'm bold, I'm brave, all the truth that you should be believing, even if it doesn't feel like that in the beginning, the more you see it, the more you speak it over yourself, the more you believe it, the more that truth will be in your heart. You'll feel more secure. You will go from that low self-esteem, feeling a little bit frazzled, to actually feeling more calm because you'll start to believe it. And that's why using creativity just to sit and to create, whether you're cutting and sticking or drawing and painting, doing techniques, is such a good place to start, to actually uplift yourself, to build yourself up, to put truth into your heart. So remember, drop me a comment below and I'll send you my 7-day art journal prompt series to help you get started to go from frazzled to freedom.